Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use delete cell option in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. I want to use this delete cell option. Okay, just select the any one cell and click the right or mouse button and click on the delete option. You get the four option. We will learn how to use this four option in Excel sheet for deleting your cell. First option is the shift cell left. When you select the one cell, this cell will be deleted and left side of the cell will be shift in there. We'll show you how it's work. Just select the first option and click the OK button. The 5000 cell will be delete and 1000 will shift here and the formula cell also shift here. Therefore, it's see the error in Excel. Okay. Second option, you can select shift cell in upside. The shift selected cell will be deleted when you click OK and down cell will be all will shift in upside. When you delete this, the 2000 cell will shift up, 9000 up and 6000 also shift on upside. We'll show you how it's work. Select the second option shift cell up, click on the OK button. You can see here selected cell it's delete and other cell will be shifted it up. Okay, then will be shows third option entire row. You can select the entire row deleted and click on the OK button. You can see here the entire row it's deleted. May June row will be deleted when you click on OK. Then select the delete option. You can select the fourth option entire column will be deleted when you click on OK. Just click the OK button. You can see here total revenue column will be deleted. Thank you so much. That's it.